Welcome to my Halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is seasoned oyster rice. Yay! I will show you how to make Japanese seasoned rice today. The seasoned rice is cooked with rice and ingredients like a Chinese clay pot rice or Indian biryani. We usually make this seasoned rice in rice cooker, so it's very easy to make it and you cannot go wrong. Even though many ingredients can be used for this seasoned rice, I picked up for today's ingredients are oysters and ginger. Only two. Making it with minimum ingredients brings out the deliciousness of oysters. And you know, cooking the oyster for a long time, oyster meat becomes shrink and looks no nice. But what if I said keeping the oyster meat to be plump is easy? Don't you have interesting, right? I want to show you it in today's highlight. Don't miss it. Okay, shall we get started? In my video, I share a lot of tips about halal Japanese cooking recipes. I hope my recipe help you to be healthy and enjoy it with your family. Please see more information below if you need. Ingredients are oysters, rice, and ginger. Then today's dashi base is KOMBU and oyster. Then seasoning is soy sauce and sugar a little bit. Then this is not for seasoning. To clean the oyster, I will use salt and potato starch. Wash rice as usual and soak into the water with KOMBU. Chop the ginger into finely julienne. Like this. Place the oyster in the bowl and sprinkle the salt a little bit. Then cornstarch. And rub gently. Then can you see the dirt came out? This is the cause of fish smell. So rinse it off with water. Okay, enough. Okay, cleaned enough. So after that, put them on the paper to remove excess moisture. Okay, please chop 2 or 3 pieces to add extra flavor to the broth. Okay, stand by. This is today's highlight. How to season the rice well and keeping the oyster to be juicy. Pour water, soybean sauce, and sugar and boil it. Soy sauce first, then water, and sugar. Chopped oyster first. Then add all of oysters. Simmer the oysters for 2 or 3 minutes until it becomes plump. Okay, like this is enough. So off the heat. Then separate the oyster and soup. Because we are going to cook the rice with this soup, set aside the oysters and mix with rice after rice cooked. Okay. Cover them with plastic wrap to prevent drying out. Like this, set aside. Now we are going to cook the rice with this soup. Can you see the rice absorbed the water enough and kombu became slightly bigger? Now we are going to add the seasoned broth. Add all. Then, since I'm cooking 2 cups of rice today, so I add water up until 2. Is it okay? Okay, enough. Then cook the rice as usual. Okay, rice has done already. Can we open? Already good smell. Then take out the kombu first. Then mix a little bit. Then we should have one more thing. Put oyster separated. Can we put this one? Then ginger, chopped ginger. Put. Then mix gently with freshly cooked rice. Then close again to steam for another 5 minutes. Okay, open again. Okay, kaki rice has done already. Yay! I want to try and report you. While rice was cooking, my kitchen was filled up with nice aroma of oysters. いただきます. The rice, slightly burnt with soy sauce, is very popular with Japanese people. I love it too. Shorten the cooking time of oysters so they are plump and juicy. Can you see? Like this. Very juicy. Nice. Oysters. I highly recommend adding plenty of gingers to bring out the flavor of oysters. By minimizing the cooking time of oysters, they are plump and juicy. Oyster season going to finish and crumb will be in season. You can mix this seasoned rice with crumb in the same way. Please try it. As I mentioned in previous video of dashi broth, please store the kombu used today in freezer. When we have certain amount of it, we will cook it all at once. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos. Bye!